User experience, or UX, is a multifaceted concept. It encompasses all aspects of a user's interaction with a product or service. This includes the user's perceptions of the product's usability, functionality, and aesthetics. UX goes beyond simply meeting basic needs. It aims to evoke positive emotions and create a seamless and enjoyable experience. Three key factors influence UX: the user's state and prior experiences, the system's properties, and the context of use. Each user brings their own unique background and expectations to the interaction. The system's design, features, and performance directly impact the user's experience. The context in which the product is used, such as the environment and the user's emotional state, also plays a crucial role. Understanding the interplay of these factors is essential for designing successful products. A well-designed product should be intuitive, efficient, and enjoyable to use. It should anticipate the user's needs and provide a satisfying and rewarding experience. Ultimately, UX is about creating products that people love to use. Storytelling is a powerful tool in UX design. It allows us to connect with users on an emotional level, making products more engaging and memorable. By crafting compelling narratives around products, we can communicate their value and purpose more effectively. Stories help users understand how a product fits into their lives. They provide context and meaning, making the user experience more relatable. A well-told story can transform a mundane interaction into a memorable experience. For example, a fitness app might use storytelling to motivate users by showcasing the journeys of real people who have achieved their fitness goals using the app. Moreover, storytelling can be used to guide users through complex processes. By breaking down information into smaller, more digestible chunks, we can make it easier for users to understand and retain information. This is particularly important for products with steep learning curves. Several models help us understand and evaluate UX. Peter Morville's honeycomb model identifies 7 facets of UX: useful, usable, findable, credible, desirable, accessible, and valuable. These facets are interconnected, and the balance between them depends on the specific product and its target audience. Another model, Hassenzahl's model, differentiates between pragmatic and hedonic qualities of UX. Pragmatic qualities such as usability and efficiency relate to the product's functionality. Hedonic qualities such as aesthetics and enjoyment relate to the user's emotional response. The components of user experience, QE, model focuses on instrumental qualities, non-instrumental qualities, and emotional responses. It emphasizes the dynamic nature of UX, acknowledging that user experience is influenced by a complex interplay of factors. Data visualization plays a crucial role in UX, particularly for products that involve large amounts of data. Effective data visualization makes information more accessible and understandable, enhancing the user's ability to make informed decisions. Two key aspects of data visualization from a UX perspective are informative and emotive characteristics. Informative characteristics ensure that the data is presented clearly, accurately, and in a way that is easy to interpret. Emotive characteristics, such as aesthetics and engagement, aim to make the data more appealing and memorable. By carefully considering both informative and emotive characteristics, designers can create data visualizations that are both informative and engaging. This enhances the user's experience by making data exploration more intuitive and enjoyable. Section 5. The purpose and evolution of user experience design. User experience design, or UXD, is a critical discipline that focuses on enhancing user satisfaction by improving the usability, accessibility, and pleasure provided in the interaction between the user and the product. It's about understanding user behavior and designing products that meet their needs and expectations. The origins of UXD can be traced back to the mid-1990s with Don Norman at Apple. With the rise of personal computing, websites, and mobile apps, the need for user-centered design became increasingly apparent. Poorly designed interfaces led to user frustration and decreased productivity, highlighting the importance of UXD in creating successful products. Today, UXD is an integral part of the product development process. It's a multidisciplinary field that draws upon principles of psychology, design, and technology to create user-centered products that are both effective and enjoyable to use. Section 6, User-Centered Design, a process driven by personas. User-centered design, or UCD, is an iterative design process that places the user at the center of every decision. It involves understanding user needs, designing solutions, and evaluating those solutions based on user feedback. The process is iterative because it involves continuous testing and refinement based on user input. Personas are fictional representations of ideal users that help designers empathize with their target audience. They're based on user research and provide a detailed picture of the user's goals, motivations, and frustrations. By designing for specific personas, designers can create products that are tailored to the needs of their target audience. The UCD process typically involves several phases: understanding the context of use, specifying user requirements, designing solutions, and evaluating those solutions against the requirements. Personas play a crucial role throughout this process, ensuring that the user's perspective is considered at every stage. Section 7. The 5 E's Pillars of Usability. Usability is a crucial aspect of UX, and the 5 E's provide a framework for evaluating and improving product usability. These 5 principles are effective, efficient, engaging, error-tolerant, and easy to learn. Effectiveness refers to the product's ability to help users achieve their goals. Efficiency focuses on the speed and ease with which users can complete tasks. Engagement relates to the product's ability to hold the user's attention and provide an enjoyable experience. Error tolerance emphasizes the product's ability to prevent errors and help users recover from mistakes. Easy to learn refers to the product's intuitiveness and how easily users can learn to use it. By considering these 5 principles throughout the design process, designers can create products that are both usable and enjoyable to use. These principles ensure that products are effective, efficient, engaging, forgiving of errors, and easy to learn. Section 8. Accessibility Designing for Everyone. Accessibility is an essential aspect of UX that focuses on making products usable by people with disabilities. This includes people with visual, auditory, motor, and cognitive impairments. Designing for accessibility not only benefits users with disabilities, but also improves the user experience for everyone. Accessibility considerations should be integrated into every stage of the design process. This includes using clear and concise language, providing alternative text for images, ensuring sufficient color contrast, and designing for keyboard navigation. By considering the needs of users with disabilities, designers can create products that are inclusive and accessible to everyone. Designing for accessibility is not just good ethics, it's good business. By making products accessible to everyone, businesses can expand their reach and tap into a wider customer base. Section 9. Conclusion. UX for a better tomorrow. User experience is not just about creating aesthetically pleasing products, it's about understanding human behavior and designing products that meet people's needs and enhance their lives. By embracing the principles of UXD, we can create products that are intuitive, efficient, enjoyable to use, and accessible to everyone. As technology continues to evolve, the importance of UX will only continue to grow. By placing the user at the center of the design process, we can create products that solve real problems and make a positive impact on the world. The future of UX is bright, and by embracing the principles outlined in this essay, we can create a better tomorrow for everyone.